So, like we yesterday we discussed, right? Perform center and ALM. So just we don't have any like particular, okay, PC nothing but it's a performance center. It is a URL based. Like see, you can observe this is the URL of the this. So means anyone can take this URL and once you can click on this details, right? You are able to see the like this from the okay. You guys able to see, or can I increase font size little bit? Yeah, I think able to see, right? Yeah. So now you can observe this is the name. We need to give from the login details, credentials, username and password. This is the domain and project. Like what is the your domain and what is the your project? You need to select and click on login. So this it is like how the controller will be there, same like that only. But the difference is like it is a web-based, that is the desktop-based applications, and we have the multiple controllers in the performance center or HPLM. But in controller, it is a one single base controller will be there. Okay, once you can log in this, right, we are able to see the so this screen. Okay, so in this screen, so you can observe in this expand the testing section, you have the testing will be there. If you extend this, we are able to see the different test stages like test resources, test plan, and everyone able to see, right? Test lab and time slot and test run will be there. So this all will be testing part because ALM we can use from the as a testing point of view, as same to the some developers also they will use. So that is why we want to do for the performance executions means we need to expand the testing first thing. Okay, you can observe here, we are written here, expand testing section from the left side pan and click on test plan. So you have the test plan will be there, right? You can click on the test plan and select subject root folder and click on new folder icon, mouse pointing, provide a name of the newly created folder name. So just here we are subject will be there, right? You can just click on the new folder. In that we are create from the one new folder name, that is a create as a newly created folder. So after create from the where we are creating in the test plan we are creating. So here you can observe, here is the below screenshot. I have given name is a views and scripts. We are given as a name. We are given views and scripts. So you can observe here, we are given folder name is a views and scripts for the newly created folder. And the next step, what we can do means select a newly created folder. Like what is the folder we are created. So you need to select that. Okay. And click on, just you can click select that. Here we have the like arrow is there, right? So here arrow nothing but you want to upload the script. So just to upload views and scripts icon, mouse pointing, so it is a mouse is pointed right here. You can observe, you need to click from the upload script. After that, what are the scripts you are developed from the like views, and so all scripts will be displayed here. Like same to the in controller we are not zip the script, but in if you are doing for the performance center or HPLM, we need to zip the folder, like the script you need to zip. So we need to upload the scripts only zip folder type only we can upload. So after that, if you click on the upload, it is going to the our local system. Where is your scripts? You need to select that, and after that, click on the upload scripts and pop-up window. Click on select button, choose required script, and only zipped file can be uploaded. You can observe only zipped file can be uploaded. Click on upload. At time of we can upload 5 different scripts. Means at a time we can select from the 5 scripts, and after that you have the upload button will be there. We need to click on that upload button. Okay, and time we can upload 5 different scripts, like at a time we can upload from the 5. And after that, if you want more also, you can again click on the upload button. Again you can select one more 5 and you can upload. So after uploading, we can see the scripts as below. You can observe we are created as a some Vision script. After that, you can see these are the scripts. So how many scripts you are uploaded? We are able to see these many scripts. Okay. So after successfully uploaded, and after that, yes, please. Hello.
No issue.
Your voice
Yes, continue,
breaking.
please.
Your voice breaking.
Yes, yes. No issue, sir. Please continue.
Yes, yes. After uploaded, we are able to see these scripts. So what are the scripts you are uploaded? We are able to seeing in this folder we are uploaded from these scripts. Okay. So you can observe also here, if you select any script, it will show from the test name, like what is your script name, test name, and from the like created date, and this is the type, and which type, it is the protocol web script, or and this is the designer, nothing but as a who like uploaded script, that employee ID will be, it is displayed here. So means we are just uploaded scripts. After upload the script, where we are uploading? So we are uploading the test plan only. In the test plan, nothing you can do. Just go to the test plan, select that, and after that you can create one folder as some scripts or group A, whatever maybe you can give from the scripts. Okay, and after that, in that script you can select that folder name, and here arrow button will be there, right? You can click on that arrow button. You need to upload the scripts. Okay. Once we can upload the script, we are able to see the scripts like this. So after that, and we need to see, select subject root folder, click on new folder icon, provide namely created folder. Hence, the below screenshot I have given name as a test lab. For the newly created folder, select newly created folder test lab and click on the new test icon, provided the test name like test iLab, or type as a performance test. So what is the you want to give from the test name? You can give for that test name. So you can observe this is the performance test. In that we can create from the like we are created folder. In that created folder, you need to create from the test name. Like for example, you are doing for the different test. Peak load test and spikes test means you can give from the baseline test. So you need to give from the just test name, and after that just click on OK. Means we are creating from the test. What test you are doing, you can create that. So after created, right, you need to select that test name. We are able to see like this. So for here, you can observe this the test name, and this is the validation. Nothing but it is a pass or fail. Like you are given from the correct or not. It is showing from the red color means it is a fail. Okay, and this all details will be displayed. And you can observe here, select a newly created test, and here in the below screenshot, test iLab is my new test name. Like I told, right, we have the baseline peak, how we are giving here, they are given as a some test lab is their test name. So if you select this, you are able to see in the test design tab like this. So after select for the any workload model type as per the requirement, I have decided to take the basic schedule or group schedule. So you need to select from the, like we have already scenario type, right? So here is the edit test is there, right? If you click edit test, we are able to see this screen. We are able to see okay. After that, you are able to see this screen. So like if you click and edit, you are able to see like this, like what are the scripts you are developed here, the script name and script path, script type, and load generators, everything will be, it is there. And after that, you need to click from the here one like workload model type will be there. You need to click on that workload model type. See, here is the workload model type. then you need to asking from the, like, it is a schedule by scenario or schedule by group is a controller, how it is by there, right? Same way you need to select from the schedule by scenario, like by number by percentage. We have the controller also, we have the by number by percentage. So we can always select from the by number. And we have the basic schedule will be there, real world schedule also will be there. So based on for the our number of scripts, like is the schedule by scenario, nothing but like all the scripts behave like a there one scenario, and having sharing from the ramp up ramp down duration will be same. But when you select from the schedule by group, every script behave like a their own scenario and having from the their own ramp up ramp down duration. So based on that we can select from the here. Okay, and after that, so after that, click on select script option. You can see the script tree. So this is the your can see the script tree. Menu bar, right side pan, and expand the subject folder from the right side pan, and expand to the all the folders until see your scripts. Like here is the all scripts will be there. Like what are the scripts you are developed, and in which folder you are given, and the folder name, and what are the scripts will be there. We are able to see here. So here you can select this and click on this arrow, then it will add it from the here. Just we are adding from the here. So you can go to the down, you can observe, see some scripts you are added. So it is added like this. And after that, we need to add from the load generators. So here also we have the one option will be there, like load generator. Otherwise you can double click it here and you can select from the load generator also, you can select. Okay, and you can observe this is the like schedule by group, and after that here we can see the ramp up ramp down duration we can select. So after this completed, like we are all design is completed, and you can observe click on save button. Like after you need to click on save button. Like when you can save this, like after scripts you can import it, upload it, and after that you are added from here, and you are added load generated and scenario also design. You can click on save button. Now you can observe when you are come to the in the test plan, we can see the in the test lab. So it is now is the green color, nothing but it's a validation will be passed. Means your script design is completed up to this. Now we need to configure the, so like we are completed from the like design part, everything is completed. See, there is no difference, but here is a some tabs will be there, but everything will be same as a controller only. Okay, so after design is completed, what we did yesterday, like we are using for the some monitoring tools. So we need to configure from the monitoring tools, like it is a CPU memory, app servers, web server, DB server, we should configure. So now we have to configure the required app servers, web servers, DB servers, their counter using. So now we can come here. See, for example, like last week we see, like last 2 days back, we have seen the what is that server side, what we did, performance or performance monitor we are observed. But we have the, this is the different one more like server side application that is called a side scope. Side scope nothing but this is also, you can compare to the performance monitor and side scope. Performance monitor is a desktop based application, but side scope is a URL based application. And performance monitor we can just Windows based application only you can monitor like CPU memory, but in side scope you can monitor from the 120 servers at a time. Like you need to Linux or Unix or Red Hat or what you want, you can test here that environment. So that is why side scope is a very important tool from the like monitoring point of view, CPU memory point of view. So if you want login, right, this is the URL of the side scope. If you need to click on that URL, and after that side scope, you are able to login is completed. We are able to see the like this. So we can see the like this. For here, you need to here click on right button and some add new script, add servers, and there you need to give from the again in the servers you need to give from the one more folder is the app server, one more folder is the web server, one more folder is the DB server. In that app servers, you need to add from the app01, app02. How many servers you have? You need to add that servers. And web servers also you need to add from the web01, web02, and DB server. You have the DB1, DB2. You can like you need to add. Just right button click. You need to create from the folders like web app and DB. Then in that you need to add from the what servers we have. So we can see the what we discussed, right? We can see the in below screen. So you can observe here. See, just now I explained, right? Just site scope, you just click on the right button, click on the site scope and click on new group. Okay. And after that, in the new site scope group section, enter a group name. Like you need to give from the any one of the group name. After create the group name, click on OK button. After entering the group name, the newly created group will be visible in the list of the displayed monitor tab. So if you come here, we are able to see this. See, for example, you are created from the some lender office folder you are created. Now we are created folder, and after that, in that folder, find the selected newly created group and right click on that group name, select a new group. Again, we need to select a new group, enter the group name of the web server. Like already we explained, right? First, we can create the group, and in that group, we need to create from the web server is a one group like as a folder, and after that create OK. You can observe group name is this, and in this we are giving from the lender office web server. We are adding that, and you can go to the next slide. Select the newly created above in the monitor list. Right click on select new group, enter the server name, group name, and click on OK. Like so you can observe, we are giving from the server name. Like this is the server name, some web server, some JTC, PR, FW, LR, OW, like W01. That is the server name. Like we are adding the in the web server, this is the server name. And repeat the same steps to the all the web servers, app servers, and SQL servers. SQL nothing of DB servers. Like you can click on the this lender office, right button click on the server, okay, or new folder, and in that folder you need to web server. In that web server you need to add from the web server 01, 02, and after that again you need to create from the one more is the app server, and app server you need to add from the app01, app02, app03, and again you need to create from the SQL server or DB server. Again you need to provide from the server 1, server 2 details. So that is why he is asking to repeat the same steps. After find the our servers in the list, left right click on the server and choose the new monitor. So you can observe now we can see this. For example, this is the Empower we are created folder. For here, this all will be, you can observe, we are added from the servers. Okay. A nothing but app servers. These all will be app servers. Web nothing but, W nothing but, these all will be like it is a web servers, and we have the again other app servers also we have, and we can come to the down. So like this we can add from the this all will be servers. This is the SQL servers. See SQL1, SQL2. Choose the Microsoft Windows resource where whichever performance counter you want to like to add. Like already we know, right? You need to select this, and what we did in performance monitor, we are added from the counters. Counter nothing but CPU counter, memory counters we are added. So CPU and memory counters. So like what counters you want from the each and every server, like it is a web server, app server, and a DB server. You need to select that and you need to add from the server details. And after this, so we can done the all things. After counter listed, so we can observe. So you can observe now. See, we need to add from the like this. So in this some example, you can see this is the server, and here we are added from the CPU, disk, and memory is the sub counters. Okay, and so we need to add from the servers like this. And after that, in most of case, the counters displayed in the below should be added in the all boxes. So every like server we need to add from the this all sub counters. So now you can observe. Note, in order to see the W3, you can see this W3 object listed in the .NET CLR expression. The box will be need to be active. Active means it is a green color. It is a active. You can observe this is the green color. It is the active. Like you are added from the counters and everything will be as per alignment. What we are thinking. Okay. So after this, everything is after completing from the side scope configuration. Okay, and follow the steps in performance center. Again, we need to follow the some steps to performance center. So as of now, what we did in performance center, just we are uploaded scripts, and after that we are design the script, and after that you are saved the script, and up to your design part is completed. Now again, you want to like after that you are configure the site scope, and after that again expand the testing pan in the section from the left side. You can observe in the left side and click on the test resources. So we have the one more tab is the test resources. So test resources, we can see here. This is the test resource. You need to click on that test resource. Here also we need to create for the folder. Like you need to create from the C, for example, here create as a monitor folder. So for here, you can observe we are create from the folder name this monitor folder. Like we are expand the testing section, left hand side pane, click on the test resource and resource root folder. Click on new folder icon, provide the name newly created. I have provided name as a monitor profile. Okay. So after next step, monitor profile folder, click on the new folder. Like in this monitor profile, see, we need to click on the new folder, and again we can click on the new folder. See, namely create from the folder name as a test lab. See, they are created as a name as a test lab. Select a newly created folder test lab. Click on the new resource icon. Like we have the new resource icon will be there. Like this plus button is called as a new resource button. So you need to click on that and give a test to server name. Like we need to give from the server, test to server, and select the test server and click on the monitor configuration tab. So we have the monitor configuration tab, nothing but this is the monitor configuration tab. You need to click on that and add the monitor icon, mouse pointing. You can observe this is the star, nothing but add monitor. You need to click on the add monitor. So See, click on the required monitor like Windows Resource Site Scope, Apache here. You can observe. So Windows configuration, we can see this all things, Windows resources, Unix, all. If you click on the monitor, new monitor, add monitor, we are able to see this all. For here, we need to select from the like, it is a Windows or it is a Linux or it is Apache, what is the environment you need to select. And I click for the site scope and I have site scope as a monitoring tool for server. So for here, we need to select from the site scope. And after that, see here, we are selected from the site scope. You can observe this is the site scope. Because we are set up in the connectivity from the site scope to performance center also. Like provide the server name. Like after that, you can select for that site scope and you can give the server name details like server details. Like what are the servers you are added in the site scope. Same server details we need to provide from the here also. I will share this document also. Okay, no worry. You guys also just go through that and you can understand. Click on the get counters and we have the some here get counter will be there, right? You need to click on that get counter button and add a required counter particular app server, DB server, web server, whichever is configured in the site scope. Then click on save. So you need to what are you are added, CPU are added. In the CPU also we have the sub counters will be there like processor time, user time, idle time, memory nothing but available bytes and committed bytes and privileged time. So we what are the counters will be there? All counters you need to add from the here. In this is the server. In this server, we are adding from the CPU details, CPU sub counter details. After saving, you can see the monitor configuration window as below. See, after save this, we are able to see the okay. This is the side scope and this is the counters we are added and we are able to this is the server details and this is the counters nothing but sub counters. In the CPU we have sub different sub counters and memory also we have different. So now under this section mainly configure the load generators and controllers which are required from the running load test. So you want to execute the test means mainly we need from the load generators and controllers also. So which are we required, we need to add from the, if it is a load test or a spike or test, water test, we need to, these two will be mandatory from the load generator and controller. Controllers and load generated machines are also called as a testing host. For here, we can call it as a testing host. And to configure testing hosts in performance center, required from the PC administration. Like you have to need from the admin access from the this testing host. Nothing but you need from the like for example load generator is machine, so you want to log in details also you want to means you can select the need from the them some admin access. So please follow the below URL to get some idea about adding test resources. So that is just some sample URL and we can observe that after you can come to the lab resources, we can see the this all things. Okay, these all will be added. Load generators, you can observe this is the load generator, these are the controller. So already I explained, right? Load generator and controller both should be the IP address will be there. You can see this all will be multiple load generators, multiple controllers you have. You can observe also here all controller, these all will be load generators. So how based on from the your number of users, virtual users, you need to decide from the how many controls you want. And the test lab. Now we are entering from the test lab. So again, test lab also we need to create from the like environment, project environment under newly created folder and new test by click on the new test icon and test lab create. Here is I can observe. Once you can click on the test lab, here we can see the new test set. And if you click on new test, so it is coming from the some iLab, for example. Okay. In that iLab, you need to create from the one more folder. It is a what test you are doing, like it is a baseline or quick, you can create from the folder. Okay. Select newly created folder and test set and click on the select test tab. So we have the, after you can create this folder, you can select this, select test. Like we need to select from the some test. So you need to click on that tab. And after that, we are able to see that this all will be, we can see this. These are the different tests. Select the required test, right side pan and click on move arrow. So selected test will appear under new test lab. So like if you click on this test plan tree, right, we are able to see the like what you are configure in the test lab. So all will be, we can see the like group A, like in that we have the test will be there. You can select this and click on this, then your like test design will be, it is come here. And after that selected newly test, click on edit test, and after that you need to click on the edit test and group test, group A. And selected test can have one script or more. Here we can see the 4 scripts which are dumped into the group A. Like in the group A, what are the scripts you are added? All will, we can see here like this, and final design will be look like this. These are the scripts, these are the script names, and this is the protocol, and you are added load generator, and you are given from the test design and everything. So now everything is completed. You need to just see here again, we are selecting from that. So after all test design is completed, so we need to just execute the test. So you can observe in the test run trend, we can see the like this, and we have the here one more thing will be there, like it is a time slot also one of the option for here. So time slot, so actually controller, we don't have time slot mechanism. Like time slot nothing but, see for example, you want to execute today night 1 to 2 p.m., 1 to 1 a.m. to 2 a.m. So you can time slot you can do. Like you can click on the time slot and what time you want, you can click on double click it, and you need to give from the script details and test name details, everything you can provide, and you can check from the availability like this. You can check from the availability. So it is a available will be there. You can see the green color. If it is not there, you can see the like it is a different. See, you can observe it is available will be there. You can see the blue color. If it is not there, you can see the not available. Time slot result will be success. Okay, so means for it, this is the main advantage time slot. Why? Because see, for example, now you are selected this time to this time. So if you selected same like some other person is coming to and same time he can't do for the test. So okay, this is already reserved some person. Okay, what is the time is unreserved? It will be there. He can go to there and he will be picked from the different timings. So that is the main advantage of the time slot. So after that, just time slot is completed. Just you can click on the run button and you can execute the test. So once execution is completed, we are able to see the in the test run. We have the one more thing is the test run. In the test run, we can see the our run ID like some 1, 2, 3 or 4, 5, 8. So some run ID is created. You can click on that. You need to download it and open the results file in the analysis only. Finally, you need to open the result file in analysis only. Once you can open the analysis, you are able to same way you can dig the issue like each and every transaction response time as per expected as a SLA or not, you need to check. And if it is SLA good, then you can send the report. If it is not good, you need to dig the issue and you need to identify that issue, and you can particular team recommendation you can give, and once they will resolve, and again you can do for the one more kind of test, and after that is the results good, you can send that report to the client. So this is the our job for the as a performance test engineer. You need to do for the end-to-end testing like this you can do. Okay, any doubts? Hello, this is the installation part. Okay, that will be for now, no need. Okay, so simply I will give from the little bit like through in notepad or not paint we can. Okay, so better to will go notepad. Okay, now performance monitor HPALM. ALM nothing but application life cycle management. Okay, so for here both will be same. You have the testing tab will be there. First will be testing tab. So in the testing tab we have the different type of phases will be there. One is for the test resources and test plan and test lab and time slot and finally test run. So once we can expand the testing tab, we are able to see this. For here, test resources nothing but you want to like convert from the server side, like say, app servers and web servers and DB servers means using for the test resource, you need to just create folder. One, create folder, and you can give from the any name. And after that, what you can do, you can create the folder. In that, you need to give from the server name. For example, app server 01. So in that app server 01, you need to give from the counters. Counters nothing but CPU and memory. Okay. And we want from disk counters also. You want, you can add from the disk counters. So in the CPU memory also we have the sub counters. So you need to add from that sub counters also for this app server 1. Same way you need to continue from the app server 1. How many servers you have? All servers you need to configure from like this. After server details everything is completed, okay, then we can come to the test plan. Test plan nothing but we can plan the test. So again same thing, can create from the folder. Okay, you can create from the folder, create the folder and give from the folder name. Already some you are given some baseline test, for example baseline test scripts. Otherwise test scripts you can give. Okay, because we are not mentioned from the like test name. Test scripts. For here test scripts you need to like upload the scripts. So which format? Zip format. Scripts you need to upload. Okay, so like we are just uploading the scripts. After upload is completed in the test plan only, so we can design the scenario. Like we can create from the test plan only. We can create from the like you can click on test and after that create from the test folder. Create test folder. In that folder, you need to give from the test name, baseline test. Okay. And so what are the tests you want? You can create from the all baseline. For example, now I created two tests. In the baseline test, you need to select this. So in this, select this. And after that, we are able to see if you select this, it is asking from the edit test. So if we click on the edit test, we are able to see this screen. If you go here, see we are selected scripts, and after that you can observe here. We can see script names also we are created from the test names here. And after that, you can observe here, we need to edit test. See here, above is there. You can observe edit test. You need to click on edit test. So after click on the edit test, what will happen is, so you are able to come to this screen. So for here, you need to give from the like type of the workload type. If you give now, or otherwise you can close this. And if you close this, we are able to see this screen. Okay, if you close that, you are able to see this screen. For here, we have the scripts tree will be there. Like what are the scripts you are already like given in the folder name, right? For example, we are given from the some test scripts. You need to check from the here, where is our folder? In that some test scripts, what are the scripts you are uploaded? You can select one by one script and click on this arrow. You are able to see the all scripts from here. And after that, we need to add from the load generators. If you select, click on this, and each script wise you need to give from the load generator and select that script, and you have the runtime settings also we have here. So for here, you need to select from the runtime settings each script. And after that, you need to design the here, like what is the design? Nothing but you need to give from the schedule by scenario, schedule by group, or real world basic schedule, ramp up, ramp down duration. So after that, everything is completed. Just you can save this. You can click on save. Then your test will be saved. So, and your configuration, for example, after this design is completed, then what is our next job? We need to execute. So before execute, we need from the CPU memory also, right? So that is point of view. Whatever tool is comfort, like it is a site scope, it is a Dynatrace or App Dynamics or performance monitor, whatever may be, we need to configure from the all servers, like all web servers, app server, DB servers. So each server also we need to add from the counters, CPU, memory, disk counters, and what are the counters we need to add. In the CPU also we have the different counters like user time and processor time, idle time. In memory means nothing but available memory and committed memory. So this all we need to add, and once configuration is completed, just you can click on this run button. Then your test will be executed. So once test is completed, so it is asking from the time slot. So you need to give from the time slot. Like for example, now only you want means you can select from the duration 1 hour and you can click on run. Then your test will be run. For example, you want to run from the some different time, not now. You want from the after 3 hours, after 4 hours. Based on that, using the time slot, you need to select from the time slot. So for here, you can observe. See, this is the time slot. So which time who are design test everything we can see the in the time slot, and based on your selected date, that date, what time to what time is the execution will be there. Where is the free, you can select that, click on that, and after that you can just select from the all details like this. If you click on time slot, you are able to see this, like this is the test name, performance test we are doing for the manually, and you need to give from the duration, like what time to what time you need to set from the time slot, and after that you need to click on from the availability, and we are able to see availability not calculated, means you need to click on the calculate availability, you need to click on this button, then only for this time your execution time is available or not, it will check from this tool. So after this, right, you can see the next screen. So if you click for the this calculate availability, we are able to, this time will be, it is a time slot is done, like it is a reserved for the test point of view, this is the reserved. And after that you can just reservation is completed, again you can go to the same screen like for this screen, and you can just execute from the test. For here, just click on the run button. So your execution will be how it is run from the controller, same way you can run. And while during the test, here also you should monitor from the, like, each and every point. If you are getting any errors, you are failing any transaction, what is that error, and how the user's response time as per or within SLA or not. And we need to check from the CPU utilization, memory utilization, and apart from the graphs, hit per second graph, transaction graph, and so we all think we can monitor from the, if it is you are executing 1 hour duration, you can monitor from this on. So like this we can do from the performance center. So this is the same like as a that controller, but it is a some tabs will be there, but everything will be same. Do you have any doubts regarding this? Manish and Kamlesh? Manish?
Of now, no, but yes, we need to refer the recording.
Yeah.
That's
You
it.
can go through the recording option, and I will share from the document also. Once you can go through that and you can understand this. So like we don't have availability for this because these are will be like license based tool. That is why I don't have for this. So just as per really what we are doing in the real time, same thing I took from the screenshot and with the points and everything I kept from here. Just go through that and you can understand for this. Okay, simply way also I explained. So like that we have these tabs will be there. Each tab what we can do I explain. So
Yeah,
just you can
yeah,
understand from the easy way. Okay.
yeah. Thank you.
Yeah. So thank you for joining, and we'll meet from the Monday. So Monday we'll start with the performance, sorry, in JMeter. Okay. We are successfully completed from the load runner. Okay.
Yeah.
Web
Thank you.
services also we covered, right? Web service protocol. Yeah, we covered. Yeah. Okay.
Okay, fine. Thank you.
Yeah, thank you. Thank you for joining. Bye, everyone.